Forex.com or OANDA? This is definitely the classic question that has more than a few US traders scratching their heads. On one side, you've got a heavyweight contender known for its diverse platform ecosystem. On the other, a globally renowned name famous for its competitive spreads and transparency. Sounds like both are pretty solid options, right? But hold on a second. Make the wrong call by just a fraction, and you could find yourself literally burning money every day with hidden fees, unsuitable platforms, or by missing out on powerful analytical tools. Are you absolutely sure you're betting on the right champion for your journey in the tough US Forex market? In this video, I'm not just going to talk theory. We're going to put both of these brokers right under the microscope, dissecting every detail, from trading fees and platforms to withdrawal speeds, so you know exactly which one will be your best ally to maximize profits and avoid costly mistakes. Don't choose by guesswork. Choose with knowledge. Let the great comparison battle begin. Before we dive deep, let's briefly introduce these two heavyweights. Both Forex.com and OANDA are long-established Forex brokers, strictly regulated by reputable US authorities like the CFTC and NFA. This means your funds are protected, and they have to adhere to rigorous operational standards. The goal of this video isn't to declare one absolutely better than the other, but to help you clearly understand the strengths and weaknesses of each, based on specific needs. Because, let's face it, no single broker is perfect for everyone, right? Let's start comparing. First up, the factor everyone cares about most, trading costs. Let's look at spreads and commissions. Regarding Forex.com, they typically offer various account types. With their standard account, you'll trade on variable spreads, meaning the difference between the buy and sell price changes with market conditions. For example, on a pair like EUR/USD, spreads might hover around 1.0 to 1.5 pips under normal conditions. Forex.com might also offer commission-based accounts, like a DMA account, where you get raw market spreads, which can be very low, sometimes near zero, but you'll pay a fixed commission per lot traded. This option usually suits professional, high-volume traders. And don't forget overnight fees, or swap fees, if you hold positions overnight. These vary by currency pair and trade direction. Now for OANDA, OANDA is well known for its transparent pricing model and competitive spreads, especially on its standard accounts, which typically don't charge a commission. Their spreads are also variable. For EUR/USD, you can often see spreads ranging from about 0.8 to 1.4 pips. They might also offer accounts with raw spreads plus commission for traders wanting more direct interbank pricing. Similarly, OANDA also applies overnight swap fees. So, for a quick comparison on fees, if you're new or trade less frequently, OANDA's standard no-commission account with its competitive spreads might be more appealing. If you're a scalper or a high-volume trader, carefully comparing the total cost, that's spread plus commission. On commission-based accounts from both Forex.com and OANDA is essential to see which is more optimal. Always check the live spreads for the pairs you trade at the time you trade. A good tip is that both brokers are transparent about their fees, so visit their websites for the most detailed and up-to-date fee schedules. Criterion number 2, trading platforms. This is your virtual office as a trader, so who offers a better workspace? For Forex.com, they provide a diverse selection, including both MetaTrader 4 or MT4 and MetaTrader 5 or MT5, two extremely popular platforms many traders are familiar with. A key strength of Forex.com is their proprietary advanced trading platform. This is a powerful platform offering sophisticated charting tools, numerous technical indicators, high customizability, and integrated risk management tools. Their mobile app is also well regarded and feature-rich. For OANDA, OANDA also supports MetaTrader 4. Their main platform is FX Trade, a proprietary platform designed with an intuitive, user-friendly interface, especially suitable for beginners. A major plus for FX Trade is its direct integration with TradingView charts, allowing you to use TradingView's powerful drawing and analysis tools right within OANDA's platform. The FX Trade mobile app is also very smooth and convenient. So, for a quick comparison on platforms, if you're an MT5 fan or need a proprietary platform with deep analytical tools, Forex.com might have the edge with its advanced trading platform and MT5 option. If you prioritize simplicity, ease of use, or you're a fan of TradingView's tools, OANDA's FX Trade platform will be an excellent choice. Both offer good mobile apps, so trading on the go isn't an issue. My advice is to try a demo account on both to see which interface you click with. Criterion number 3, customer support. When you run into issues, you need quick and effective help. Forex.com. They offer customer support for US traders through multiple channels: phone, email, and live chat. Support hours are typically 24/5, aligning with Forex market hours, Monday through Friday. The quality of support is generally rated as pretty good, with knowledgeable staff. OANDA. OANDA also provides similar support channels: phone, email, and live chat, operating 24/5. They have a comprehensive support portal with a detailed FAQ section. OANDA is often praised for relatively quick response times. Quick comparison on support. Both offer standard support channels and operating hours suitable for the market. Any difference might come down to personal experience, but generally, both make an effort to support their US clients. One thing you could check is language support if English isn't your primary language, though for traders in the US, this usually isn't a major concern. There isn't a huge difference here, but you could try contacting their support before opening an account to gauge it yourself. Criterion number 4, withdrawal speed. As we've discussed before, getting your money out quickly is crucial. Forex.com. Key withdrawal methods in the US include debit and credit cards, with a preference for refunding to the original deposit source, ACH bank transfers, and wire transfers. Processing time is usually within 24 to 48 business hours for most methods after approval, depending on the method and your bank. OANDA. OANDA also supports ACH, wire transfer, and withdrawals to debit cards. In some cases, they might support PayPal in the US. They're known for processing withdrawals quickly, often within 1 to 2 business days, and sometimes faster for certain methods like cards or PayPal, if available. Quick comparison on withdrawals. Both meet the criteria for fast withdrawals for US clients. OANDA might have a slight edge in terms of the flexibility of fast methods like cards and the potential for PayPal. Always remember, a fully verified account and submitting withdrawal requests before the cutoff time will speed up the process with any broker. Basically, you can feel confident about withdrawal speeds from both these brokers if you follow the correct procedures. Criterion number 5, analytical and research tools, a trader's arsenal. To make informed trading decisions, you need good tools. Forex.com, their advanced trading platform, integrates a powerful charting package with over 80 technical indicators and diverse drawing tools. They provide market analysis reports, news from Reuters, an economic calendar, and quite extensive educational materials. OANDA, charting on FX trade, especially with TradingView integration, offers superior technical analysis capabilities with hundreds of indicators and custom drawing tools. OANDA provides market news from reputable sources like Dow Jones, market sentiment tools, and a library of educational content from basic to advanced levels. Quick comparison on tools. If you're a heavy user of technical analysis and love the versatility of TradingView, OANDA has a significant advantage. Forex.com also offers a robust toolkit, especially on its proprietary platform and quality news sources. For educational materials, both do a good job of providing knowledge for investors at different levels. This is a pretty close race, and your choice will depend on your personal preference for interface and specific types of tools. So, after carefully examining these 5 criteria, which one is better? The answer depends on who you are and what you're looking for. For beginners, OANDA might be the more appealing choice if you prioritize an extremely intuitive, easy-to-learn platform like FX Trade, want to learn technical analysis with TradingView's powerful tools, and appreciate flexible funding options, as OANDA often has no minimum deposit or a very low one. Trading fees on their standard account are also quite competitive. Forex.com is also a good option if you want the choice between the familiar MT4/MT5 platforms and a powerful proprietary platform, and you value their well-structured educational materials. For advanced and experienced traders, Forex.com could be more suitable if you're looking for advanced features on their advanced trading platform or want access to specialized account types like DMA, if available and fitting your strategy, for raw spreads with a commission. OANDA remains a formidable contender if you're an algorithmic trader, as they offer API access, you value consistently tight spreads on a no-commission account, or you need TradingView's deep custom charting tools. My final piece of advice is to carefully consider your trading style, risk tolerance, and personal preferences. Don't hesitate to open demo accounts with both brokers to experience them firsthand. Now, after all this analysis, what's your decision? Will you join TeamForex.com or Team OANDA? Let me know your choice and your reasons in the comments below. I'm really interested to hear from the US trading community. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on other detailed broker comparisons and reviews. I'll put referral links for Forex.com and OANDA in the description. Thanks for watching. I wish you all the best in making informed investment decisions. Goodbye and see you in the next video.